In this topic, we are going to find the value of the limit for each given. So let's start for our given number 1. We are going to try to use the direct substitution. So for our given 1, limit as x approaches to negative 2 is x squared plus 7x plus 10 over x squared minus 10x minus 24. So, if we direct substitute, it will be negative 2 squared plus 7 times negative 2 plus 10 is over negative 2 squared plus 10 times negative 2 minus 24. Negative 2 squared is equals to 4 minus 14 plus 10 over 4 plus 20 minus 24. 4 minus 14 is negative 10 plus 10 over 4 plus 20 is equals to 24 minus 24. So the answer will be 0. And then what we need to do is to factor. So how can we factor the numerator and what two numbers need to multiply to 10 but add to the middle coefficient of positive 7. So this is going to be positive 2 and positive 5. So the factor is gonna be x plus 2 times x plus 5 over x plus 2 times x minus 12. So in this case, we are going to cancel x plus 2 and we will left only is the x plus 5 over x minus 12. Now we can find the limit of x approaches negative 2 is equals to x plus 5 over x minus 12. It will be negative 2 plus 5 over negative 2 minus 12. So the final answer will be 3 over negative 14. For our second number, we have limit as x approaches 8 is x squared minus 6x minus 16 over x squared minus 9x plus 8. If we are going to direct substitute it, it will be going to 8 squared minus 6 times 8 minus 16 over 8 squared minus 9 times 8 plus 8 is equals to 8 times 8 squared is equals to 64 and 6 times 8 is equals to negative 48 minus 16 over 8 squared is equals to 64 and 9 times 8 is equals to negative 72 plus 8. If we are going to find this answer, the final answer will be 0. So this is undefined. We are going to use factor for this one. So limit of as x approaches 8 is equal to x squared minus 6x minus 16 over x squared plus 9x plus 8 is equals to, so first what we need to do is to factor. So now we can factor the numerator and what two numbers need to multiply to 16 but add to the middle coefficient of negative 6. So this will be going to be positive 2 and negative 8. So our factor is x plus 2 times x minus 8, and at the bottom we will still going to factor, so find a number that can be multiplied to 8 and that should have a value of the middle coefficient of 9. So it is going to be negative 1 and negative 8. So we are going to have x minus 1 times x minus 8. So in here we can cancel the x minus 8. Now we can find the limit of x as 8 approaches equals to x plus 2 over x minus 1 is equals to 8 plus 2 over 8 minus 1, and the final answer will be 10 over 7. So this is the problem for a given number 3. Limit as x approaches negative 4 is negative 5x cubed plus x squared plus 2x minus 2 over x minus 4. We are going to use direct substitution to find the answer. So it will be negative 5 times negative 4 cubed plus negative 4 squared plus 2 times negative 4 minus 2 over negative 4 minus 4. 4 cubed is equals to 64, and the negative 4 squared is equals to 16, and 2 times negative 4 is equals to 8. So the answer will be negative 5 times 64 plus 16 minus 8 minus 2 over 4 minus 4. So we are going to multiply it again by negative 5 times 64, and the answer will be 320 plus 16 minus 8 minus 2 over negative 8. Our final answer will be going to 326 by adding or calculate all the remaining numbers. So if you are going to lowest term it, the final answer will be negative 163 over 4.